Hello, this is Shorish from MBD Traders and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to unbox Asus Prime B360-Plus motherboard. So let's start the unboxing. It has a LGA-1151 socket which supports 8th generation Intel Core processors and has DDR4 RAM support and is Intel Optane memory ready. It also has improved DDR4 stability and compatibility. It allows lower memory latencies, improved memory frequency margin. It also has a flexible cooling control, all-around efficiency with the EPU that optimizes the power consumed. There's a smart setting which can save energy by shutting down the unused IOs. The Prime 300 series have the most comprehensive cooling controls which can be monitored and configured through Asus Fan Expert software. With this software, you can easily assign a sensor that can monitor the temperature of the supported graphic cards for optimal cooling when you are running GPU or CPU intensive workloads. UEFI BIOS with Q-Fan control and advanced search function which lets you find any built-in settings efficiently. It has USB 3.1 Gen 2 with a transfer speed of 10 GB and is backward compatible. The audio is analog shielded and also has separate layer for left and right track with premier Japanese made audio capacitors that provide an immersive experience. It has built-in LED lighting option which illuminates your build in a variety of eye-catching styles. It is VR ready and supports 8th gen Intel Core processors. Thank you guys for watching this video. Leave a like and subscribe. For more contents like this, follow our Facebook page, and if you want to buy any of our products, then do visit the links given down below and stay tuned.